Meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibition, MICE Conference, was held from June 13th to June 16th and was attended by 80 VIP planners and buyers from resorts and destinations from 13 countries. The MICE Conference was aimed at promoting Destination St. Maarten, whereby attendees were able to network as well as experience some of the top attractions on the island. At the welcoming ceremony, the St. Maarten Tourist Bureau provided welcome bags filled with relevant information and products to the participants of the conference. Interim Director of Tourism, Mei Ling Chun, indicated in her opening speech that such conferences are important and vital to St. Maarten's visibility and as a destination.
As St. Maarten Tourist Office, St. Maarten in general, we decided we're going to focus a lot more on the MICE market. We might not be that destination that has, many large hotels, but I think we have that perfect combination for every type of group. And the uniqueness, of course. So we started working on this immediately, and this is the result. And I want to thank North Star Group for having the confidence, Angela and her team, for organizing this, and of course, all our colleagues together. This is a result of collaboration, of doing this together with the various stakeholders and getting everybody on board.
We're here today with a number of suppliers and buyers from the North American market as well as the Caribbean, promoting the destination. These buyers are important to St. Maarten because they are the partners who have to contribute by bringing in groups, by spending money doing different activities, visiting our restaurants, and patronizing our hotels. And of course, this money contributes back into the island economy that is needed.
Today we're receiving over 90 incentive buyers on our island representing the market that is an unknown market for the island of St. Maarten. However, the MICE market is a market that helps the tourism industry during the low season where we need to cater to extra tourists on the island. This market is important for St. Maarten because we could showcase our culture, our authenticity, the fact that we are Europe before Europe with over 100 different nationalities on this island. And being on the island, we're going to be able to showcase all what the island has to offer, and in terms of cohabiting with the French and the Dutch. So I think this event comes at the perfect time after the pandemic. It's a huge economic impact for the island of St. Maarten, where this is an industry that's worth billions of dollars, and hopefully with this event and showcasing St. Maarten as we should, we will be able to get business from this. Thank you.